Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today I share through this video few sentences in from of Bangla to English. এটা চমৎকার. That's amazing. That's amazing. আমি ভীত. I am afraid. I am afraid. আমি ক্লান্ত. আমি ক্লান্ত. I am tired. I am tired. আমি কৃতজ্ঞ. I am grateful. I am grateful. পরে কথা হবে. Talk to you later. আপনি আমাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? Can you hear me? কে বলছেন? Who is calling? এটা খুবই দামি. It is too expensive. আমি এটা নেব. I will take it. Please show this video attentively and try to use it in your regular conversation. Request us on likes and subscribes button and stay with me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.